he's gonna cancel it, so let's play. So, this girl, I'm gonna be killing 50 outlaws in one game.
Yes, sir. What's your texting here? Oh, yeah. I forgot you're not gonna buy anything because...
Wait,
Just... Can you please buy the zombie now?
maybe later.
Okay. What time?
Let me guess.
11? No?
Hey, at 12 p.m. It'll take me all night to buy it. Good as
Tralalelo, tralala.
I got some gold, so we're gonna be playing 50 out of
And let's go to the
50
room. Jay, let's go to the room. 50 outlaws.
Yeah, 50.
Raiders. Or outlaws or raiders.
So I'm buying this. Frick. Super anyway.
A living dinosaur. I need to see it.
It's not something you use just to make yourself famous.
You're right, Shell. It's not about Chris Collins.
Let's go to the room.
Why? This is the only one I can buy.
Don't you remind me of that?
So,
The doctor on the island.
And thanks to you, I finally get to live that time.
It's not a dinosaur.
okay guys, I'm moving my PC to my room. Because this is gonna take me a few minutes. Okay, I'm here. Okay.
Oh no, this is extra large. Oh,
And the last, I haven't recorded for days, guys. I'm sorry. I just had a little business. Shut up. Whoever can donate me, I'll shout out in the next video.
you mean a super thanks?
Yeah, super thanks. I just need money
Yeah,
to buy Robux so I can. Yeah.
guys, we are really poor.
We just bought this $1 million house. We're poor. We're poor enough to buying this house. So can we have a super thanks?
Yeah, or a donation.
Write in the comments what should I do next. What game should I do next in the next video?
It's been 5 minutes. Are you trying to complete the game?
I don't know. It's gonna take us 45 minutes, guys. It's almost an hour.
Or maybe it's gonna take 1 hour or 45 minutes.
I'll just need to Outlast. Outlast, buddy.
Wait, guys, do you play Black Scoop? Write in the comments below if you play Black Scoop.
Can't wait this one.
Charm.
Na. Wala, ang kutsumi.
This picture.
Hi, Didi.
Skibidi, where's my
So, how's school, guys? Or bad? Coffee, my friends.
Yes, the phone is so hungry.
It's nighttime mode.
Oh,
So,
don't swear. You
They will
swear.
get me banned on YouTube if you keep swearing.
Yeah. As a YouTuber, swear.
And they just want to make it.
But good thing on my channel, I don't swear.
It's sorry. I'm dead.
Let me see. Bruh! There's so much.
Leave my computer alone.
Let's jump real quick.
Left my computer alone. You will die.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Or you're not allowed in the next video.
Ay, yeah.
Who's there? Who's there? You. How did bro get here? Blood. Who's you? Time for blood to die. I'm gonna just beat the game normally. Bah. Bah.
By the way, guys, it's day.
That's not day yet.
Wait, one more
Day.
minute.
But it's already day. But it's already day, look. See? It's already day.
It's day.
Ready. Time to use my ass gun. Bro.
Those
It's cool how they updated it. Like the sa Sibaka.
Leave my PC alone.
Shut up. This isn't your PC, bro. I buy this PC, bro. It means it's mine.
It's not
By the way, guys,
subscribe.
subscribe to my channel.
YouTube.
You Do not subscribe for my channel. I will not put the link in below. I will not put the link in the comments.
I will put the link. I have the email.
Brad thing. I have a security email. So you can delete my video.
Blood.
Oh, that's it. Wait, what?
You don't have any link, right?
Just press this.
Oh, should. Come on.
Let's go to your room. It's yapping or get out of my room. It's yapping.
Joy.
Shut up.
Sure. Yeah.
I was lagging. I can't shoot. I cannot shoot. I cannot shoot.
You can shoot me down then.
Die. I hate you. Die. At least there are bandages here.
Breath.
Ano, say? Magbunta ka yun.
Wala ko labot. Ito.
Here po sila. Yo, so.
Hey, that's the new sheriff.
I'm gonna stop recording.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you turn on my face cam?
Nah, bro.
Oh, is my face cam?
Nah, I'm not gonna do it.
Hi. My face cam. Right here. Game done. Huh. Huh. Shut up. Another ball. Make a sandwich after this.
Give it a buzz.
Shut up. My annoying cousin.
Oh,
Put
no.
your hand up at me.
You are there. Shut.
Wow.
Forever and ever.
I'm like green screen. I'm like green screening.
You're on video. Well, guys, it's not safe to make shorts. It's just make videos, not
Cover.
shorts.
Bro,
You're covering the camera. That's the camera.
bruh, leave my camera alone.
No.
I'll just put myself here.
Wait, you don't sell this?
I know.
You don't sell the plates? So I can go.
Shut up.
Yang yang.
My name is Xing Xing. Jungkook swag.
What?
Shut up.
Yay.
Am I gonna be dying to a zombie?
Yes. Pin me. Pin me.
No.
What happens if you pin someone? Anong isa?
If my cousin. Wait. What is that?
What is this?
I just joined Dead Waves, okay? Here, this ugly ass. Oh, you're dead. I am dead. That will be it, guys. Bye bye. Bidi bap bidap boop.
They know.
They not know.
They know that.
No.